guys, Charlie Jones with Sennheiser here at Zoomtopia, showing off our brand new TeamConnect bars. We've got the Bar S and the Bar M. Why? Well, one's small and one's medium. But more importantly, those are the room sizes that they're designed for. Of course, I know what you're thinking. Another AV bar? Come on, everybody's got one. Well, ours is a little bit different. What we've heard in feedback from our customers is that sometimes the existing bars on the market just aren't sensitive enough. People can't pick up the voices of people sitting further back in the room. So what we've done is we've actually integrated Audinate's Dante into our bars so that you can use microphones like our TeamConnect ceiling beamforming microphone as an optional source to then feed back into the bar to give you better pickup coverage further out into the room. You can also expand the cameras. Maybe you want to add a PTZ camera, maybe you want to add a presenter cam or a document cam. Those easily add on to the bars as well. Best part is it's not proprietary. You can use the USB camera that you prefer. So, Sennheiser TeamConnect bars, available in both the medium and the small size, and these will be shipping in 2024.